The unboxing of the HexClad. This one is a 14-inch wok. This one is extremely durable. The material is amazing. This is how it comes packaged. Here's your lid, and that is your wok. It's a big wok, so keep in mind the size of it. But the material is amazing. Now, we've used HexClad before. Our family members use it before. This thing does not scratch. Whether you use spoon, metal, or whatever, it's amazing. And the non-stick property really works super well. And the lid right here is just a beautiful, big, huge lid with a window so you can see through it. And that is how this 14-inch wok comes. Very easy with the handle. And this one right here doesn't transfer the heat, so it's nice and isolated from temperature. Same thing with the handle here. The heat doesn't transfer over, so it doesn't get hot. And this is already attached. You don't have to install it. We bought pots and pans before where we actually had to screw things in to get it to hook up. This one out of the box is ready to rock and roll. And if you're curious what the bottom looks like, let me show you guys right here. This is what the bottom looks like. Beautiful HexClad surface. This design, this material is strong, sturdy, non-scratch, and it's amazing. Now, if you are curious about some of the properties of this hybrid cookware, you should know by now this is some of the best stuff you can get. These are the properties right here. You got the stainless steel non-stick. It's stainless, aluminum, stainless. That sandwich right there is amazing. You can oven safe over 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You are okay with using metal utensils. That's amazing. Scratch resistance. Remember the stay cool handles, tri-ply construction. The stainless steel, aluminum stainless steel. That's a tri-ply construction. You got the warranty, non-stick inside and outside. All this good stuff. The induction is also very important because it heats up really quickly and it heats up evenly throughout the material. Because the induction right here makes sure that when you heat this, it heats up all around so that when you're cooking your food, even this side gets hot. Something that's not induction, you only get the hot here, right? This one heats up all around because the induction is very good. The heat transfers throughout, but it doesn't transfer to the handle. Amazing. Everything that you expect to work works perfectly with this HexClad 14-inch wok right here. This thing is a beast. Oh yeah.